I made another pine cone wreath. It's addictive. Hey, Ma! This is a simple black and white wreath. So you might be wondering where the pine cones came from. I've covered this in previous videos, but I just collect them from my yard. I use a lopper to cut them in half. And to get rid of any bugs, I use Atom spray. It's the easiest I found, and it's the fastest. So the supplies that I used for this were, of course, the pine cones, a wire frame, black and white paint, beads, fake flowers, feathers, and the tools I used was a hot glue gun, a lopper, paintbrush, and scissors. Let me know in the comments section if you like all of these pine cone wreaths I've been doing. I'm glad that I'm getting rid of all the pine cones, and now I'm starting to get requests from friends and family to make some for them. So I have a lot of ideas that are coming, but let me know in the comment section if you like the pine cone wreaths. Oh my gosh, I just love the feather boa. I had to use it somehow in this because I was thinking black and white, black tie, elegant feathers. So this is the normal way that I attach the pine cones. I kind of wedge them into the frame, and then I reinforce it with the hot glue by gluing the pine cones to the frame and also gluing the pine cones together. So I think I've calculated, I think it's like 16 pine cones to go all the way around the frame. Like that's how many I've done. I know that now by heart. It's scary. I use the smaller pine cones to fill in gaps and also make it look more robust and to hide the actual metal frame. So that's what I'm doing there. So here are the flowers and the beads. I always like to separate the flowers and kind of put the beads in the middle. I also had some white carnations and black roses from Halloween. You can see the spiders on that. So yeah, black and white. I thought it was pretty neat. So ultimately, this turned out to be a great wreath for maybe like a graduation party or a black tie event. You can add sparks of red if you want to it, or like a 40-year-old over-the-hill birthday party. You know, that's always like black and white. You can also use it for maybe a wedding if you add like a color, or maybe with some silver accents. It would be pretty good for New Year's too. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Hit the bell icon to see all the other pine cone wreaths that I'll be doing. Also hit like if you like the video. Thanks for watching.